The 10-year rule: how to build real wealth. Most people spend their entire lives working for money. But the top 1%? They make money work for them. Your 20s and 30s are not for chilling. They're for building a foundation that stays forever. Rule 1. Never depend on a single paycheck. In today's economy, 1 is the most dangerous number. If you have only one source of income, you are only one step away from zero. Rule 2. Stop looking for the get-rich-quick scheme. Master the art of compounding. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Every dollar you invest today is a seed for your future forest. Rule 3. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Don't buy a luxury car to impress people you don't even like. Keep your expenses low and your vision high. Rich people stay rich by acting poor, while poor people stay poor by acting rich. Rule 4. The best investment you can ever make is in your own mind. Skills pay bills. Spend more on books and courses than you do on entertainment. Your network is your net worth. Rule 5. Stop playing it safe. Fear of failure kills more dreams than failure ever will. Take calculated risks while you're young. If you fall, you have time to get back up. But if you never jump, you'll never fly. Conclusion and call to action. The choices you make today will define the next 40 years of your life. Success isn't an accident. It's a choice. What are you choosing today? Subscribe to stay on the path to freedom.